My name is Al Wells. I'm the production supervisor at Diamond Vogel's Tulsa, Oklahoma facility. At this paint mixing facility, the company produces thousands of gallons of paint. We also store powdered pigments, proprietary coating formulas, and other raw materials to produce our long-lasting, high-quality products. Our facility is a Class 1 Div 2 hazardous environment due to the potential for airborne particles and fumes. Heat and visibility are also a concern. This imposes strict requirements on the type of fixtures that could be used safely inside. Previously, we used incandescent lights that couldn't stand up to the scorching Oklahoma summers, reaching up to nearly 110 degrees indoors. Then we tried compact fluorescent lights that still needed bi-monthly bulb changes. We switched to Dialight because of their lighting's color quality and their 10-year warranty. We were able to get more light with fewer fixtures and probably have about 4 times the light that we used to have. But our continued business was won by their exceptional customer service. Their willingness to go above and beyond really stood out. We trust the people we work with at Dialight, and their fixtures are backed by a 10-year warranty. It means that we're going to get what was promised, virtually maintenance-free lighting for 10 years in a very safely lit facility.